money.
All right, man. Shit, it's in my pocket. Go ahead, just take it. Take it. It's all yours. It's all yours, man. All right, just please don't hurt me. Go ahead, take it. Right. Now, I wanted to break down a couple of important points when we're looking at knife defense, gun defense. And the first thing is, it's risk over reward. And teaching all these type of different techniques and moves, I always say, is what you're about to do worth your life, right? Now, if he wants my money and I'm here, my hands are gonna come up. Go ahead, take it. How do you wanna do this? At this point, it's also part of training to learn how to negotiate with your attacker. Meaning, how do I get out of this alive? If he wanted me dead, he would have shot. If he didn't shoot, that means what are my options? Go ahead. I give him the money. You want me to take it? How do you want to do this? Go ahead, take it in my pocket or I'll give it to you. Mind you, it's very important to still be aware at all times because at any point he might still shoot. And I saw this in a video where he gave him the money, but the attacker still shot him. So your awareness has to be there, even if you're complying with your attacker. Now, if he's telling me start driving, now I got to make a decision because you're looking at going from one location to a secondary location. Now, you might be able to make a move from point A to point B, but again, every time you do more steps, you decrease your chance of survival. So I might have higher chances of making my move right here. Now, when we're looking at gun, and he tells me, go ahead, drive.
Go ahead.
All right, no problem, man.
Let's go, drive.
So the main thing is when you make your move, you always want to make your move when he's talking. Meaning, ask him a question, pattern interrupt. You got to change the thought process here. When we're looking at gun, very simple principle. There's a lot of people who teach like these fancy techniques. Trap the gun. Now, I'm not going to point it to him this way because I'm going to point it towards my face, but I'm going to point it away. Once I point it away, from there, I want to point it inside because his finger is stuck here. I'm either going to come here or turn there. Now, the reality too is once I do this, he's not going to stand there. His objective, he's going to pull away. From there, if he pulls away, let's pull in. I'm going to pull in the gun towards him and strike. If he decides to pull in here, I'm going to push it this way. The idea against the gun defense, and I've covered a lot of knife, right? The idea in close quarter, you always want to trap the weapon. With a knife, what's really hard is that it moves in so many different angles and slices, it cuts, you could switch hands, you don't need to reload it. It travels really quick. Whereas the gun, once you're out of the line of fire, you're pretty much safe. So what you need to learn is to trap. And once you trap, always make sure you're out of the line of fire, and then you go directly into your strikes. But I'm going to be making more gun defense videos. This is just a principle I just wanted to teach. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit my website, nickdrossos.com. Guys, I have the Tactical Edge program, the Hero program, the Bob Dummy Fit, all my courses. Go check them out. Stay safe, guys.